Hello, this is Miss Sherritt with this week's math lesson. Today we are going to be talking about solid figures. Solid figures are those that are 3D, three-dimensional, like our cylinder and our rectangular prism. In solid figures, they can have flat surfaces where on the top and bottom of our rectangular prism and on our sides or on our cylinder, just the top and bottom. We also have edges. That is where two flat surfaces meet. So for this one, it'd be up here and then also on the sides. And we also have vertices. Vertices are our corners. That is where three or more flat surfaces meet. So that is how you know the difference between edges and vertices. Edges are just two flat surfaces meeting. Vertices are three or more. Let's get started. So your assignment today for math is to fill out your own chart on Google Doc of how many flat surfaces or faces, edges, and vertices each of our solid figures have. To help get you started, I will do cube and sphere with you, and then your job is to do cone, pyramid, cylinder, and rectangular prism. So our cube flat surfaces or faces are pretty easy to figure out. They are just what they say, flat. So we have our top and bottom, 1, 2, and then always on a box we have our sides, 3, 4, our back, 5, 6. So our flat surfaces on a cube, we have 6. Now edges. Edges is where two flat surfaces meet. So we have our 4 on top, then we also have our 4 on the side where our front and back and our sides meet. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we also have our 4 again on our bottom. 9, 10, 11, 12. So for cube, we have 12 edges. Now our vertices, our corners. Vertices are different than edges because vertices is where 3 or more flat surfaces meet. So the side ones do not count as corners because they are only 2 flat surfaces meeting. It has to be 3 or more. So we have our 4 corners or our 4 vertices on top, and then since cube is same on the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 vertices. So there is our cube. 6 flats, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Now our sphere. Sphere is our ball. As you can see, it has nothing flat. It can roll wherever it wants. So it has 0. Edges, since we have 0 flats, we can't have 2 flats meeting. So without flats, there can be no edges. Same thing with vertices. We have no 3 or more flats meeting like our top and bottom of our cube. So again, that is 0. So sphere was our shape that had 0 all the way across. 0 flats, 0 edges, 0 vertices. Now go ahead on your own, do your cone, pyramid, cylinder, and rectangular prism.